guys, it's Deadpool 3.7 here with a quick video. I have the worst fucking luck. I just put this lip on not even, what, a day ago for my birthday? And all of a sudden I hit a fucking raccoon and I've absolutely destroyed this lip. Already. Just got it. Just freaking got it. I'm like beyond pissed, man. I just can't catch a freaking break at all. I never can catch a break, man. Jesus Christ. I was driving down the road, heard something go boom, and I look and I fucking smacked a raccoon. A big one, not even a baby one. So the lip was a pain in the ass to install. Now I need to contact this person to see if there are any type of warranty so I can get another wing. I mean, lip, another lip. My life freaking sucks. My life sucks, man. That's my freaking. I should have stayed my ass at home. I should have done it. I just got the lip, and all of a sudden, this happens. Just got it, man. I just put it on. Just put it on. My luck sucks. I came down here to shoot a video with my boy Philroy, and this happens. I have the worst fucking luck. Anyway, guys, just a quick update of what happened. Please like and subscribe.